I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is weForms. Select a form. Click Next. Search and select System.io. Give here the API key. So please visit System.io API key in secret. Create. Give here a meaningful API key name. Save. Copy the API key and paste it into the integration site. Authorized it. Authorization is successfully done. Next. Choose tag. Map the respective fields. Here is an advanced feature in conditional logic. You can use it for your requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Now go to your form and type some information and submit the form. The form is successfully submitted. Go to the System.io dashboard and navigate to the contacts. Here you can see data came successfully in the System.io. Thanks for watching.